G'day and welcome back to Mel's Crafty Paper Place. How are you? I hope you are well. I am now going to tidy up all of my stuff that I have got left from my Whole Kit and Caboodle. Let's see what I've got. I have got a few of the bottle caps, I'll call them, the matte bling. I've still got some of these and they will go all in my bling drawer. I have got mainly ephemera. This is what I've got left of the ribbon. That's it. I will keep that because you know what? I will use that. I have also got some doilies left, of course, because doilies come in such a huge packet. Oh, let me turn this light on. It might be a bit better. Hang on a tick. Got to turn my light back on. It might be a bit better lighting for you. I have got some doilies left. You know, they're always in a big packet, so there's always some doilies left. I've mainly got ephemera. And I've got a little bit of paper, but not much. So this is my scrap paper that I have got. That's it. That's my scrap paper. But my ephemera is probably more than almost my scrap paper. My ephemera, I've still got some like wordy bits. Oh, let me come down a little bit. I've got some word pieces, and I will keep those and use them on my cards and stuff. Oh, I've got this one as well. I have got a little bit of, I've got Brave and Wise, and I did glue two of these together to make them nice and stiff, which I really like. I've got these little tags, hugs, and then I've just got like some clocks, some owls. I've got a few clocks. I think I ended up having 2 packets of ephemera. So I had oodles and noodles, like I had heaps. So I'm just gonna pop that over there. I'm just picking it all up, cleaning up. And that's it. That's all foam. That's foam, that's foam. Right, let me get it all down here. So, got my bling, that's okay, and that will go in my ribbon drawer. This will go in my bling drawer, which is just down to the left. My doilies will go over here so that I can continue to use those. My ephemera will all go back in here, what's left of it, and that will go in with another collection because they're quite easy to use. These ones here I might put at the back actually, because just to keep it flat as possible. Brave and Wise. I've got a couple of owls, some feathers. I didn't use many feathers. I thought I would use a lot, but I didn't. I've got a couple of fussy cut little postcard pieces because there was one of the pages in the collection is like a cut apart sheet. So that's why I've got so much ephemera. But that's cool. I don't mind. And clocks are so easy to use. I don't mind clocks. They're really good. Still a few like masculine-y ones in here. The blue, the greens, the clocks without any flowers or that in them, so that's really good too. Little postcards, the girl owls, but that's okay. There's one little tag in there as well, and then the rest is feathers, some flowers, half a dozen flowers, and then just a couple little tags and leaves. That's it. And that's all my ephemera. That's it, and that will go all together, and I'll put that in. Oh, the light shining on there. I will put that away in with another collection that I can use that with. All my papers. This is all my papers. Got little pieces, 3x4s of green. I do have a flower there that I could fussy cut, or some pink paper. I don't think I'm going to keep all of this. I think I'm going to throw it in the bin. Right? I don't know. I don't think I don't see me rushing to use this green grid. I'm going to recycle that. I don't think I'm going to use that either. A couple of wood grain strips and the pink dot I may use. A couple of little flowers there. So what I'll do with these little pieces actually is I usually put them in the back of the ephemera packet. So I'll put them in with that, and this one as well, because I will fussy cut that. And probably fussy cut these two as well. So I'll probably put all those in with the ephemera. Yeah, that's it. That's all I've got left, really. I didn't use the sequins because I didn't do the shaker cards or anything with shakers, so I've still got those. I still have some glass domes as well. I only used them on one layout, so that's cool. That's okay. One thing I did not even touch, and I completely forgot about, was these lovely keys, wood veneer keys. So yeah, I've got all of those, so that's cool. So I've got those. I'll put those in my bling drawer. This will pop in my wood veneer, or I may just pop this in with this and put it in with my Uniquely Creative so that I use it. And that's it. That's all I've got. That's what I'm doing with it. In a nutshell, I haven't got anything else. Yeah, that's it. So I made one card and 5 layouts. Now, remember, I have used this collection before. I have made 2 other layouts with this collection, I'm pretty sure. So I've got that one there, that one, this one with all the flips, and that one. So I'm really happy I've used that kit. I call that using the Whole Kit and Caboodle. That's what I call that. So I'd really like to say thank you for watching and sticking with me through this. I hope you give it a go. Even if it's not May, you can always do it. It doesn't matter. I hope it encourages you to hop into your craft room and grab a kit and jump right in and use it. And hopefully you won't have much to put away like me. You'll be able to just distribute the little goodies, the tiny little bits that's left, and that's it. But thanks for stopping by and having a look, and I really appreciate it. And thank you to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. That's really, really nice. Thank you. But until next time, keep crafting, and I'll see you again really soon. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.